Hi everyone, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Liluna Tarot. So again, this is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader. So, kamusta kayo guys? Happy Friday sa inyong lahat. Um, Let me pause lang. Iinom lang ako ng water kasi inuubo ako. Okay. So guys, kapag ka narinig din yung umubo ako, pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi medyo hindi okay yung pakiramdam ko. Okay, so for today, we are going to do a collective reading. So, pangungunahan ko na kayo, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Okay? So, maaaring may mga messages na hindi mag-resonate sa inyo. So, kapag narinig ninyo, kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo, is hayaan nyo na, let it flow, let it go. Okay? So, ang topic natin for today is the messages you were meant to hear before this 2025 year ends. So, ano yung messages na kailangan mong marinig? And this is meant na maririnig mo today. Okay, so be open-minded, okay, para mas madali para sa atin na maintindihan kung ano yung mga messages, okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, meron na akong nakalatag na cards. Nag-shuffle na ako before pa ako mag-start mag-video. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung ano man yung nandirito, or kung ano man yung mga mababasa nating energy, this is meant na marinig mo. So, for my collective, angel spirit guides, Lord, please give me accurate messages for my collective. So, let's start dito sa ating tatlong card. Okay? So, ang nakalagay dito, divine light. I am an expression of love and I shine like the sun. My inner light is my strength and my treasure. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I am. Peace. I am unwavering in the face of fear. I come to my senses and embrace challenge. I am determined to think with gentleness and calm. I find inner silence and become a manifestation of peace. Okay. Trust. I trust life and my strength. Each moment guides me to the light. Everything on my path is placed there for my growth. Okay. And for your energy oracle card, so this is your card collective. First chakra, Archangel Michael, number 35. So, number 35 can be significant sa inyo, guys. So, this is a root chakra. Okay, first chakra, Archangel Michael. And for your Luminous Astro deck, Taurus, the bombshell. Wow. First, okay, okay. So, kanina pa lang, nung nagbabasa pa lang ako nitong upper card natin, meron akong nakita dito na you need to be at peace on yourself. Okay? Peace, payapa. Okay? So, meron akong nakikita dito na acceptance. Okay? Acceptance oneself, physically, overall acceptance on yourself. Okay? So, sa madaling salita, karamihan sa inyo, with the Taurus the bombshell, most of my viewers are feminine or female. Okay? And most of you can be a Taurus. Okay, Taurus, ang sign kasi niyan, kung hindi ako nagkakamali sa tarot deck natin, is Empress. Okay, Empress siya or basta parang ano, feminine. Very feminine ang ang card niya sa ating tarot card. Okay? So ibig sabihin lang dito meron ako nakikita which is the for the first chakra archangel Michael. Um ang mababasa natin para sa card nito is your root chakra is warning you that it can be out of balance. Okay? Pero Archangel Michael is nandiyan para i-help, para tulungan ka, para i-help ka. So, papasok dito yung insecurity. Okay, insecurity ng sarili natin. So, ang nakukuha ko lang dito is if you're a feminine and you are insecure about your physical body and overall physical appearance, um, you need to accept. Sabi ko nga kanina, accept. Accept kung ano yung flaw ng na meron ka kasi lahat naman ng tao is wala namang perfect. Okay? And for some of you, with the divine light here, expression of love, a shine like the sun, in order for you to give love to others, you need to love yourself first. Okay, so ibig sabihin, you need to accept yourself first. You need to love yourself first in order for you to give love to a partner, to your family, or other person. Okay, so ibig sabihin, my intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I am. So you need to look deeper into yourself. Ano ba yung mga good qualities ko? Okay, ano ba yung mga good qualities ko na hindi ko na kikita na kasi meron akong nakikita na for some of you or most of you, you hate yourself, okay? Not totally hate na as in totally sobrang hate, pero merong mga physical aspect. Ikaw, siguro sabihin na natin, isa na yan, appearance, meron kang mga katangian mo na you hate, okay? Or parang you are comparing yourself to others, parang meron kang specific look na parang gusto mong ma-achieve, parang ganyan. Meron dito na sinabi na you need to come to your senses and embrace yourself, embrace challenges. Okay. Um, Meron din ako nakikita dito, first chakra Archangel Michael is parang sabihin na natin asking you to take care of your health and your inner well-being. So, po pwedeng yung mental health natin, okay? Huwag masyadong magpaka-stress, huwag masyadong sabihin natin obsessive, okay? Obsessive to be like this person or to be this person. Kasi nga, if we hate who we are, okay, kung hate natin yung physical body natin, yung physical aspect natin, hindi natin nakikita yung mga good qualities. Okay? And maybe meron ako ditong ano, nakikita na fear. Okay? So, fear. Yung takot na tinatawag. Ano ba yung mga challenges for you? Ano ba yung mga fear mo? Okay, sa sarili mo. So, ang sabi dito, you need to be at peace. Okay? So, be gentle, okay? And calm. Meron ako rin na naririnig na you need to calm yourself. You need to calm your mind. Okay, for some of you, if you are an earth sign, you are an overthinker, whether you are a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you are hard on yourself, you are overthinker. Me, myself, is a Virgo. Okay? So, aminin man natin sa sarili natin, tayo ay overthinker, right? Tayo ay hard sa sarili natin kasi feeling natin, and most of the time, we are not enough. Okay? Feeling natin parang hindi tayo enough, hindi tayo sapat, may kulang sa atin. Kaya yun yung parang nagiging dahilan kaya hindi tayo nagiging peaceful. Okay? And nagiging stress tayo. So, ayun yung sinatawag nating parang inner well-being. Okay? Sa kakaisip natin, napapabayaan natin yung sarili natin. Okay? So, pwede sigurong, since this is Taurus, so it can be same with the stability and security. So feeling natin sa sarili natin, we are not secured and we are not stable. So that we need to work harder and harder and harder na dumarating na sa point na ano, na parang nabu-burn out na tayo sa araw-araw. Okay? And minsan iniisip natin since Taurus is here, Taurus card is here. Sabi ko na, whether you are an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, earth signs are hard worker. Okay? So, if you are an earth sign, comment down below. So, kilala ang mga earth sign bilang a hard worker and mahalaga ang stability and security sa life natin. Right? So, kung feeling mo there are lot of challenges and parang hindi na natatapos yung challenges natin sa araw-araw, adulting, family problem, financial problem, meron ako nakikita dito na you need to trust, okay? You need to trust, you need to believe that walang matinding challenges ang hindi na o-overcome. Okay? Lahat ng challenges, whether sobrang tindi man yan or sobrang bigat niyan, lahat yan ay nasusolusyonan. Okay? Magiging better, mariresolve. Okay? Just to believe in yourself, in the Lord, in Archangel Michael, kuha ka ng lakas. Okay? Sa kung ano man yung pinapaniwalaan mo. And magagawa mo lang yon if you yourself believe in your power, believe in your strength. Okay? So, ayun yung nakukuha ko na messages dito sa card na to. Okay? And I know that most of you can be practical, okay, and can be logical also. So, understandable na yan. Pero, meron akong nakikita kasi dito na you need to trust on yourself. You need to trust on your inner strength. Okay? Your intuition. Okay? Kasi diba sabi sa trust, I trust life and my strength. Each moment guides me to the light. Diba? Everything on my path is placed there for my growth. So, hard challenges, okay, especially um, yung araw-araw nating um, napagdadaanan, or kung may mabigat man kayong pinagdadaanan right now, you need to trust that yung pagkakataon na yan or yung sitwasyon na yan is talagang meant na pagdaanan mo. Kasi para hindi para pahirapan ka, kundi para um, marami kang lesson na matutunan and mas mag-grow ka pa as a person. Okay, so let's see. Ano pa yung mga messages na you were meant to hear, okay, before this 2025 year ends. Okay? Iinom lang ako, guys, ha? Meron akong nakikita sa inyo na most of you are a strong personality. Okay? Strong personality kayo, guys. Loyal, patient, okay? And mahalaga sa inyo talaga yung looks ninyo. So if you are struggling on your physical appearance, you are wishing to be someone else, you are wishing to lose weight, you are wishing na sana mas maputi pa ako or mas ganito pa ako, you can manifest it, okay? Pero don't be so obsessive na parang na aapektuhan na yung mental health mo or your inner part mo, 'di ba? Okay, so let's see pa. With the eyes shine like the sun, when it comes sa happiness, tayo lang kasi din yung makakapag-allow ng happiness sa life natin. If we allow it. Kasi if you s- um if you still comparing your life to others, talagang yung happiness is medyo far na mararamdaman mo yun kasi you keep comparing at hindi mo na mamalayan while comparing, hindi ka na nagiging masaya sa life mo. Pwedeng gawing motivation yun. Okay, kasi kanya-kanya lang naman yan ng compass or kanya-kanya lang naman yan ng time. Okay? So, pwedeng yung iba, syempre, outer lang yung nakikita natin, pero yung inner challenges nila sa mga sarili nila, hindi natin nakikita kung ano ba yung pinagdaanan nila para ma-reach yun. Okay? So, let's see. What are the other messages that you're meant to hear? Okay. Knight of Wands, passion. Wow. You are very passionate. Wow. Charming. Tingnan mo, fearless with the Knight of Wands. Actually, you are fearless. Kaya ano yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo? So you need to identify that. You are also confident. Okay? Be confident. Kasi hindi naman lalabas si First Chakra Archangel Michael if there is no issue about your physical. Okay? Wow. Defeat. Five of Swords. O, di ba? It can be most of you is self-sabotaging. Merong self-sabotaging behavior. Meron ako narinig guys ha, if someone compliment you, we need to accept compliment. Kung hindi naman makakasama. Okay, if someone says, oh, blooming ka, you're beautiful, parang you're pretty, alam mo, ang ganda mo, say thank you. Hindi yung parang, uy, hindi yung parang, ano mo kasi, parang nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo. Ganun kasi talaga guys. Others will see the best in kung ano yung best sa atin. And maybe nga most of you is hard on yourself at hindi mo nakikita yon. So you need to accept yourself first. Um, baka meron nang bubuli sa inyo. Meron nang bubuli, that's why may reason yung pagkakaroon ng low self-esteem. Okay? Baka merong um, nangyari na naging dahilan kaya nawalan kayo ng confidence sa sarili ninyo. Can be baka niloko ka, ginost ka, okay, or anything. Your parents keep comparing you to your other siblings or other family member, or someone is talking behind your back. Again, guys, you need to trust on yourself. Okay? Queen of Cups, very loving, very nurturing. Okay? You are sensitive also. Whether you are an earth sign, pero you can be sensitive. Okay? Sorry. Okay? You need to follow your intuition kasi you are very intuitive. You always tap on your emotion. Meron akong nakikita na some of you always tap on your emotion. You're always um every time na magsasalita ka, you always follow your heart. You're kind, collective, okay? Very feminine, very loving, very kind person, okay? And with the divine here, sun, okay, you can be very jolly, joyful, okay? Kung nakikita niya bloom, okay, masayahin ka for some of you, okay? Po pwedeng iba sa inyo is mahiyain, okay? So, you need to, to build your confidence, okay? Mabilis kang masaktan for some of you. Kaya siguro nangyayari yung yung tinatawag nating feeling insecure. Okay? You're very beautiful, collective. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo. Pretty, beautiful is nandito. Okay? You are very beautiful. Wag na wag mong iisipin na you are not enough. Okay? Kasi card na mismo ang nagsasabi na you are a bombshell. You are beautiful. Okay? Whatever your size is, whether you are a plus size, okay, you are a petite or thin, you are beautiful. Okay? And also very loving person. Yes, very loving. You always give your heart even though others are hurting you. Hindi ko naman sinasabing parang doormat ka, pero you always take action based on your heart. And if you are a female, and may nangyari na sa iyo na sa relationship is parang iniwanan ka or ginost ka, don't take it personally. Kasi meron akong narinig na minsan nararamdaman ninyo na may mali sa inyo o you're not enough. Kasi nga, po pwedeng sa mga unsuccessful relationship. Yes. You can be sensitive also. Ah, wala akong ibang naririnig kundi kind. You are very kind, collective. Wow. Six of Cups. Oh. Very innocent. Innocence. Okay. Kindness again. Ano ka, mabait ka na tao, mabait ka na babae, mabait ka na lalaki. mabait ka na partner, mabait kang kaibigan, collective. So, you need to work on yourself, you need to love yourself. Okay, walang mali sa'yo. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo actually. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Marunong ka rin tumanaw ng utang na loob. Yes. You always grateful sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, especially to your parents, okay? Kung pwedeng malapit sa puso mo ang mga bata, mahilig ka sa bata. Pero meron akong nakita dito na you need to calm down. Calm. Hinay-hinay lang. You need to calm down. I know adulting and I know everyday life is very challenging sometimes, or every day is challenging, yes. Bills, responsibility is hindi nag stop. Whether you are pamilyado na, or you are a Gen Z, okay, you are a parent, walang masama na na to follow your happiness and mag-relax muna, mag-chill, okay? Kasi may iba ako ditong, yung iba sa inyo may naiisip kasi ako na parang sana parang bata ako ulit or parang katulad ako ulit ng dati na parang walang masyadong iniisip, parang ganon. Unlike ngayon, parang sobrang napipressure sa life, parang ganon. Okay, so let's see. Messages you were meant to hear before this 2025 year end. Oops. Wow, Empress. 'Di ba? Empress, Taurus, right? You can be a Taurus. Yeah. Some of you can be a soon to be mother or a mother. Very nurturing, very maalaga, very feminine. Babaeng babae. Strength card is here. Wala akong ibang na ano dito. You are very beautiful, ha? Collective. You are beautiful. You are enough. Okay? Meron akong ibang nakikita sa inyo na for some of you, hindi mo na naalagaan yung sarili mo kasi siguro may mga anak kang inaasikaso, marami kang responsibilidad, okay? Sa pamilya, yes. So, you need to have courage. You need to be brave, confident, ha? Guys, I'm telling you to my collective, you need to be confident on yourself. You need to accept yourself. You need to be happy kung ano ka physically, kung ano yung life mo right now. Kasi once na we are happy on ourselves ngayon, magre-reflect din kasi yun outside. So makikita yun outside. Okay? Ayun yung sabi nga nila na parang nagbo-blooming ka. Okay? Light yung aura mo. Okay? You need to overcome your self-doubt. Yes. You need to control your emotion. If you are very emotions with the Queen of Cups here, you need to control your emotions. Okay? Don't be so emotional. Okay? Wag din agad parang bababa yung self-esteem mo kapag may narinig ka na hindi mo nagustuhan. You need to focus, okay? And you need to control yourself. Huwag ka basta-basta magpapa-persuade, okay? Or magpapa-influence outside. Huwag kang makikinig sa sasabihin ng iba. only yourself. Trust yourself. Trust yourself, collective. Trust. Okay? Because you are very intuitive. Yes. Your intuition will guide you. Okay, messages that my collective are meant to hear. Wow. About sa finances, if you are worrying about finances, okay, if you are worrying about your security, madiskarte ka, collective. If there are business na iniisip mo, you need to trust. Huwag kang magda-doubt. You need to trust on your capability. Okay? You need to trust on your strength. Collective. For some of you, if you're an earth sign, you are not a risk taker. Yes, given na yan, you are not a risk taker, pero paano mo malalaman yung result if you were still thinking na sana, ano kaya gagawin ko, parang ganon. You need to trust yourself. Okay? Okay. Meron ako nakikita for those of you na maraming kaibigan. Um, Huwag ka basta-basta magpapa-influence sa ibang tao, especially on your friend, okay? Pero may nakikita mo na ako dito na for some of you, you have a small circle of friends lang naman, okay? Talk to a friend. Meron din ako nakita na if you if you are bored or if you're lonely, talk to your friend. If you have a best friend na talagang pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Wow, yung iba sa inyo ano, can be a soon to be mother. Okay, or for some of you, if you are a feminine, you are fertile, okay? And kung pwedeng right now, you are pregnant, yung iba sa inyo. Kaya siguro, syempre, hormones. Kaya nagiging malungkutin, nagiging parang, parang, yun nga, nawawala yung self-confidence. You need to accept yourself, okay? So, tingnan natin yung future higher self mo, ano yung advice to end this reading, collective. Messages you were meant to hear before this 2025 year ends. Self-limiting belief. Negative thoughts. Anong sinabi ko kanina? Are creating a roadblock in your life. The cards never lie. Okay? You have a sabotaging attitude. You have a self-limiting belief. Okay? Sabi ko nga, if you want to pursue a business, you are the only one that limiting yourself to achieve or para makuha mo yung success. sa buhay mo. You are the only one thinking na you're not enough. You are the only one comparing yourself to others. That's why na yung happiness is hindi mo nararamdaman. So, all the negative thoughts, yun yung nagki-create ng block, okay, sa life mo. Yes? So, sabi ni higher self mo, change that negative thoughts. If you will see the image here, this person is watering the plant, okay? So, nurture with the nurturing card here, with the Queen of Cups here. Nurtured yourself, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Magkaroon ka ng positive affirmation palagi. Retreat. Time spent alone, reflection on past and current situation. With the Six of Cups here, always um, thinking about the past, always reminiscing about the past. Okay, if there is a meron ako narinig guys, if there is a nangyari before, meron ako nakikita na may opportunity na parang feeling mo is parang hindi mo nakuha because of a wrong decision or something. Stop. Okay, stop obsessively thinking na sana yung nire-reminisce mo na sana pala ganito yung naging desisyon ko, sana pala ganyan yung ginawa ko. Sana pala ito, siguro kung hindi ito yung ano ko, or siguro kung hindi ganito, ganyan, hindi ganito, ganyan. Guys, I'm telling you, stop. Stop reminiscing past or parang ibinabalik mo pa. Kasi pa pwede mo pa siyang mabago. Okay, if that opportunity is hindi mo nakuha, maybe that is fated na hindi mo makuha. Okay? Kasi po pwedeng hindi ka pa ready. Okay? And po pwedeng siguro, you need to, siguro you always partying, you always nakikipag-usap sa kaibigan for some of you guys ha. So, siguro kailangan ng kaunting retreat. You need to have a time alone, okay, para makapag-reflect. Yes. Meron ako narinig kasi nagiging dependent ka sa mga kaibigan mo or sa mga kasama mo. Kasi sa kanila ka palagi nagsasabi ng naghihingi ng advice, so parang hindi mo na napag-aaralan na magkaroon ng decision or parang self-talk, parang ganun. Passion. Again, passion. Knight of Wands, passion. So, ano ba yung passion mo? Ang sabi dito, don't be afraid to fail. Follow what makes your heart happy. Ano yung sinabi ko? 'Di ba? Kapag merong bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, whether this is an art, okay, a career, or a business, or malilibang ka, follow your passion. Okay? What makes you happy? What makes your heart tick? What makes you tick? Diba? Collective. Decision. The need to gain clarity through decision making. Anong sinabi ko kanina? Anong sinabi ko kanina? Um, Other are influencing you, okay? Kaya hindi ka nakakapagdesisyon ng sarili mo because you're always asking your relative, your friends, your circle of friends, your family. Hindi mo parang ano, parang yun kasi yung pagkakakilanlan natin if we trust ourselves, if we truly ask ourselves, trust our intuition, magkakaroon tayo ng clarity. Okay? Kasi if others yung nagdedesisyon sa buhay mo or sa gagawin mo, doon talaga papasok yung sana pala ito yung ginawa ko. Sana pala sinunod ko na lang kung ano yung nasa puso ko. Sana pala sinunod ko yung intuition ko. You know what it means, collective. You know what I mean. Okay? Okay. So bottom of the deck is release. Release grudges, wounds, and pent-up feelings through healthy activities. So, doon papasok si passions. Okay? So, release. Ano sabi dyan? Um, stand up and dance. Okay? If you are holding a grudge or wounds, okay, sabihin na natin kaya nga, if ever na may someone na nanakit sa'yo, may nang iwan sa'yo, or childhood wounds, love life wounds, release that. Okay? Lahat ng emotions na natatago mo sa sarili mo, whether um, parang petty things, etc., release. Okay? Start over. Okay? Comparing, release. Release that. Lahat ng mga petty things. Okay? Collective. So, I think that's the ending of our reading, collective. So ayun yung mga messages na you were meant to hear before the 2025 year end. So since malapit na mag-Christmas and magbagong taon, so gawa ka ng mga New Year's resolution mo. Ano yung, baka this time ito na yung sign na kailangan mong baguhin kung ano yung mga dapat mong baguhin within yourself. Okay, base chakra, root chakra is block. Okay, so papaalala ko lang ulit. So, again, um, that card signifies na yung physically appearance, okay, yung outlook natin sa sarili natin, ano ba yung tingin natin sa sarili natin. So, magsimula kang magkaroon ng positive na mantra every morning. Start with every morning or every day. Okay, na I'm beautiful, I'm sexy, I'm enough, parang ganyan. Okay, wag puro negative yung iisipin mo. Okay, kasi wala talagang mangyayari kapag puro yon yung gagawin mo. Okay, so you're very beautiful, you are not enough, you need to love yourself, you need to trust on yourself. Okay, you need to own up. Okay, own up, magkaroon ka ng sariling desisyon. Okay? Wag ka magkaroon ng self-limiting belief na, ay, hindi ko kaya yun, o kaya, ay, mataba ako, hindi ko kayang magsuot ng bikini, or kaya, ay, ganito ako, hindi ko kayang magsuot ng dress, etc., etc., ay, stop. Okay? So, this is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader, and this is La Luna. Okay, so happy Friday sa inyong lahat. Comment down below if resonates sa inyo itong ating reading today. Okay, bye!